Alright guys, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If not, let's get into it and keep on watching this video. Okay guys, so you want to have your hair sectioned off into 4 equal parts, and then you want to make sure that you already have your supplies out and everything like that. I'm first taking my water and I'm going to spray my hair from the top of my head into the bottom of my head. You want to make sure that your curls are very wet. And then I'm going to take my brush and I'm just going to brush those curls through, just making sure that they are all combed out and everything's prepped for my next step. But you want to make sure that you continuously use the water so that you can make sure your curls are evenly spread out and tangle free. As you guys can see, the right side is more curly and combed out, and you can see it at looking at the hair that has been brought back to life. And on this other side, you can see how the curls are kind of tangled up and they are getting combed out, as you can see, making sure that it's going to look exactly like the other side. Now, keep in mind, these braids been in for like, I think a month almost. But I'm just revamping them and I'm going to take them down probably in the next couple of weeks or so. But this is just up maintenance and how I keep them up. And they really still look good to only say they have been in for a month. I feel like them. It gotta work for me. I am going to take my moisturizer and I'm going to put that all over my scalp, making sure that my scalp is very moisturized, okay? I do not play about my moisturizer. And then after I moisturize my hair, I go in with an oil to seal it. Now, I normally use the wildlife oil, but today I am going to use my other oil. And after I put each product in my hair, I kind of pretty much massage my scalp to make sure that it gets saturated, and then my scalp feel really good once I finish making sure that my oil and moisturizer is in my scalp really good. Also guys, these are all the products that I used in the video. In the bottle is a water, and if you want to take a quick snap, you can, just to make sure that if you want to use these products.